Where do we come from? Where are we going? Are we alone? How does humanity fit into the grand scheme of the universe? The Hubble Travelling Exhibition, Our Place in Space, is designed to get you thinking about these questions. Our Place in Space embarks on a breathtaking visual journey from the exhibition space to the borders of the observable universe. The exhibition reveals how we have expanded our cosmic horizon, breaking away from the boundaries imposed by our planet's atmosphere to explore the furthest reaches of time and space. Astronomers and artists present their own interpretations of where we are, where we belong, what our past might have been like, and what our future might bring. Combining the different visions to create a fusion of science and art provides a more unique and complete view of the universe we live in. Here are some of the impressions left by visitors at the exhibition in Venice.
Now that you've caught up with Hubble, make sure to get the latest from the ground too. The ESOcast highlights the best of the European Southern Observatory and its powerful telescopes that observe from high in the Chilean Andes, at the Southern Hemisphere's best-known sites for astronomical observations.